Join me in the challenge of creating the ultimate keto protein smoothie that promises fast weight loss and muscle gain. The concept of a keto protein smoothie, which is a game changer when you who want to lose weight and build muscle at the same time. This smoothie is designed to be a convenient and delicious way to get the nutrients you need to support your keto lifestyle, while also providing a boost of protein to fuel your muscle growth. One of the biggest challenges is getting enough protein in your diet. When you're on a keto diet, it can be hard to find protein sources that fit within your daily macros. Another challenge is finding healthy fats that are easy to digest and won't kick you out of ketosis. And let's not forget about the struggle of dealing with hunger and cravings when you're trying to stick to your diet. When you're trying to lose weight and build muscle, you need the right balance of protein, carbs, and fats to support your goals. But it can be hard to figure out what that magic ratio is, especially when you're new to the keto diet. And even when you do find a ratio that works. Fiber is essential for keeping you full and satisfied, but it can be hard to get enough of it when you're eating a high-fat diet. And let's not forget about the importance of staying hydrated. It's easy to get dehydrated when you're eating a diet that's high in fat and low in carbs. We're going to be using a combination of protein powder, healthy fats, low-carb veggies, and fiber-rich fruits to create a smoothie that's not only delicious, but also nutritious. Our protein powder is going to provide the boost of protein to help fuel muscle growth, while our healthy fats are going to keep us full and satisfied. This protein powder is made from high-quality sources and contains no added sugars or artificial ingredients. We're also going to be using a special type of healthy fat that's rich in omega-3 south and antioxidants. This healthy fat is not only going to keep us full and satisfied, but it's also going to provide some amazing health benefits. We're also going to be adding in some low-carb veggies, like spinach and kale, to give our smoothie an extra boost of nutrients. And to add some natural sweetness, we're going to be using a fiber-rich fruit like berries. These fruits are not only delicious, but they're also packed with antioxidants and fiber. First, we're going to add our protein powder to the blender, followed by our healthy fats and low-carb veggies. Next, we're going to add in some fiber-rich fruits and a splash of almond milk to give our smoothie a creamy texture. By using a special blending technique that's designed to break down the ingredients and release all of their nutrients. This technique is going to make our smoothie super smooth and creamy, and it's going to make it easy to digest. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Let me know, and don't forget to check out my other keto recipes.